Welcome to our today's feature presentation, Longer Term Trading in Volatile Times. Who is this presentation for? It is in particular for IRA holders, for 401k holders, and for traders and investors who are interested to make a stream of income on a weekly or monthly basis. My name is Thomas Barman. I'm your presenter today, and I want to make you aware of the risk in trading and that I'm here as an educator and trader, but not giving trading advice. Trading and investing is basically the same. It covers and needs the same skill set. However, the holding of an asset is different in the time. Trading, you might think of day trading, where you just open and close positions the same day, or swing trading, where you hold for a couple of days, while on the investing side you want to hold for multiple weeks or multiple months. And that's what we are focusing here for. But in general, the same thing. You need to prepare the same way, have the same behavior, the same skill set. Just for your investing decisions, you have a bit more time. So what are you doing as a trader or investor to jump for the dollars to make an income from trading? First of all, you need to find assets in supply or demand and trade along with their price development. That's the whole idea. As simple as it sounds, it can be difficult, and I'll explain how you can do it. Then you make a probability assumption. You need a strong system helping you to predict the future of a potential future price move of an asset. Might be a stock, might be a future, might be forex, and for you then to trade along with. And what we want to encourage you here in that presentation, apply risk limiting strategies. When you are just buying stocks or so, it's not risk limiting. You can have a 50% drop in a very short period of time, and then you have to make 100% on that basis to break even again. A very difficult undertaking. So therefore, risk limiting strategies, and we will refer to that. The trading system is the basis and key to your success. So let us lay out a trading system together, NeverLossTrading Top-Line, and we are using a monthly chart for a couple of different assets. The first one, I'll highlight the situation, the rest we go just on a platform to go through. What you see here is a monthly chart for Apple. A monthly chart from April of 2017 till April of 2020. And I'm going to highlight individual situations with you. So situation 1 here, our system gave us a money flow here. So the basis here, the comparison indicators, as you look, it's money flow in or out of an asset. And you see on that chart, blue frames go to the upside, red frames go to the downside. And that lower line can be your trailing stop line if you choose to trail it, or to keep it at bay from where you started at, depending always on your strategy. And so what you see here on the chart in those 5 situations is clear-cut mechanical trading. Here by 190.37, the next candle ticked out that price threshold, gave you the trade, and we want to trade at max here in that strategy, monthly strategy, 5 bars or 5 months. So if you trade with an option, so you now know the time you want to cover. And so with that, so here you got in the trade, and then we have a combination trade. So we call these candles, which we highlight with a little cyan dot, a light tower candle. What starts in a light tower likes to end in a light tower, and you see what happened. Then afterwards we were haltering, and even the price was dropping in the situation 2. But on situation 2, also want to highlight this, we were lacking the lower bottom support of the direction, so therefore we wouldn't take it. However, then we get an early up signal here on that candle carrying us in situation 3, and when we trade up to 5 bars to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there again we have a supporting signal, so we could stay longer in the trade or add to the trade and go again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in situation 4. And so this is very mechanical, how we find the opportunities, how we execute on the opportunities, and how we follow the distance, how long we want to be in it, because that's going to be very essential for you, in particular when you learn how to trade option strategies. And then situation 5, we were doing an opposite price move, also supported by the system and spelling out here with that red dot where it most likely is going to end. And at every situation we put in relation the risk and reward of the trade, and if that is favorable, we execute it. This chart shows you a live chart for Boeing aircraft, and first of all you see here a long zone of purple. A purple zone is what we call a time of indecision. No directional trades can be found, and so therefore as long that is predominant we don't take them. But then after the purple zone here we got a clear-cut sell signal, sell 302.72, and that got confirmed within sell 269.60. And then we got spelled out our directional targets. When those were reached, we should have exited the trade and left it. So, but you see, also in times of high volatilities, systems paint directional price move that you can spot and follow. You now see the price development of Netflix. Yeah, and here on Netflix, you see these lines up there. They are basically the supply-demand lines, or we call them NeverLossTrading box lines, gauging or limiting the price move. And you saw when we came to that box line, we weren't able to quickly get through. So we use that for our trading, because you saw here, yeah, the up signal by 308.75 in October, carried out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, or all the way to that end, which was here at bar number 4. And then you carry out the trade. That's what we want to teach. That's the essential of never loss trading. Clear-cut mechanical rules on all time frames, carrying you forward, giving you entries, giving you clearly defined exits. What happens if you find no monthly price setups that you can support? You go a level down, weekly setups. So just for last week here, so I'm making that video on a Monday, we had long signal from the weekly chart on eBay here. So you see it over here, buy 34.40 and carrying it out to target. We're very close to this one here. And so we had even taken the stop or the exit here on a box line and supporting the trade. So what do we expect to be in here? Maximum 5 bars, 5 weeks. So this is the option you need to buy if you do an option strategy, or you can constellate also option spreads. We'll teach all of these in our mentorships, but the key is you'll find those opportunities. Yeah, there was the supporting signal. It was confirmed by the next bar ticking out the signal being higher than the price threshold. Your buy stop order was filled. You carried out the trade. This example shows Netflix on the weekly chart. Again, we found an opportunity here with the signal, and your scanner with Top-Line gives you that. Or if you scan on your own, or it's on our reporting, yeah, buy 372.93. So that was on this candle. So the next candle definitely ticked out the price threshold, carried you forward, and we always spell out the SPOO, the price distance here, $36.99, $37. That was obtained, and we also knew we want to be maximum in for 5 bars, but here after 3 bars our target was reached, and we left the trade. We trade mechanical as possible. The system spells out the direction, the condition, the threshold, how to execute. We'll teach with multiple strategies. If this is attractive to you and you want to learn it, call us or write us an email. We teach one-on-one only, yeah, at your best available time, at your best available days, and we tune all our strategies and all our indicators towards you, like a tailor-made suit based on a good cut, yeah. So here we go and we server install the software that's going to be on Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade, and you can execute your orders at any other system here, so you have no need to do it there. You get real-time data this way, which is very important. We show you the entry, exit, and stop, how I explained on the charts. We work with you on position sizing to have risk-limiting trades, and you learn multiple strategies. The time in a trade, as you saw here, 5 bars in that type of trading. Risk handling, how many positions to open, how can you obtain multiple streams of income, and how to write a business plan so that you know in an action plan when to trade and how to trade. And in a financial plan, how many trades, how to carry them forward, and how to produce an income with that. We are making you a special offer now. If you like what you see and you want to see how our assistants perform live, schedule a one-on-one hour for you. Yeah, we go through different indicators, how to read the charts with you, and truly make you an offer in that. Call us at 866-455-520 or write an email to contact@NeverLossTrading.com. If you're not certain yet and you want to see all we have and what we offer, we are more than 10 years in business. There's plenty of documentation on our blogs and also on YouTube, so you find us. But contact us to see how everything works live. That should be your special offer for today.